Welcome to another episode of Stock Hot or Not. Let's see if this stock can get through my proprietary stock gossip filter. Before we begin, subscribe so you can get immediate alerts when stocks like this one are in play. Timing is everything. And if you like this video, please give me the thumbs up so I know to do more of the same. If you want to learn how to read charts like the ones I'm about to show you for free, as well as many other free bonuses and trading tools, go to stockgossipfilter.com. Okay, now let's see how this stock you're researching is looking. So an important update on NEO. Here we're looking at that big picture, and as I was commentating before, what we really needed to happen was this downtrend to end, 1, and 2, for it to get above the $10 line resistance, and 3, to get back above the 40-week, which is that moving average there, that blue line here. And these things have actually happened, which is a massive development for this stock, still in the early stages of recovery. This is the one of the moments to be looking at catching it. So there's the trend there. You can see it kind of petered out around there and then went going sideways when I started commentating on it. So that's good news. And then we go to the day-to-day chart. We can zoom in here, and here's where the actions really started. There's where the downtrend ended, and then it started bouncing up here and has got back above that all-important 200-day moving average, or the 40-week here, and it's consolidating nicely above it now. There's a couple of ingredients now missing, but we really want to see is some heavy volume here. There's a lot of mixed volume down here, lots of buying and selling going on. So I want to see some more volume pushing it higher, especially we want to get above this resistance level here around 13. So that's the next obstacle, but it's all looking good for NIO. Let's look at the next one update. I want to see is rgti. This is all following up on updates I made here on this channel. And let's look at the big picture first of all. Similar sort of picture here after a long drop is actually recovering nicely now. And if I go to the day-to-day chart, you'll see there is that all-important back above the 200, which is what we wanted to happen with NEO. But notice how you see it hits this resistance and then disappoints and comes back below. So that's what you want to avoid with that NEO incident you see, and that's what happened to this stock. But then it recovers again, gets back above that resistance, and so now it's even more powerful than ever. So that is a resistance line there around 138, and so now it's broken above that, but after a volatile week it's coming down to correct it. So as long as it stays above 138 there, that one is looking decent. And let's check in with apld, and this is the one we got in way down here. So you can see here what's happened after this volume here popped it up there. Then look at this, there's a clear line of support here at around 740. So as long as it stays above that, and you can see that it does, every time it gets below that or at it bounces back off again. So it's a very clear line. So if it stays above that, then that picture's looking good. But if it breaks below that, then that would be a significant point to bail on this one. So as long as that holds, then fine. So that's all for these updates. I'll speak to you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you can get immediate alerts when this stock and other ones like it are in play. If you want to learn how to read charts like the ones I just showed you for free, as well as many other free bonuses and trading tools, once again, here it is, stockgossipfilter.com. I'll speak to you soon.